In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily download the text documents from your MooMoo account. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open a browser. I'm going to use Chrome browser, and then we have to go this URL moomoo.com/us/ and then we'll find this type of website. To download the text document, at first we need to log in our account. I'm going to click the sign in option. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will bring us this option. We can sign in our account by using our email and password. If you try to use your email address to log in your account, just type your email and password and verify your account. Once it is verified, then you will be able to access your MooMoo account. When you will access your account, you will see like this. Here you will be the account profile icon. There is account info, logout, and some other options are there. Now to access the text document, we have to explore this URL documents.us.moomoo.com, and then we have to hit the enter key of our keyboard. Now we'll see the text documents page of our account. Here there is a drop down. If we click here, we'll see the list of the years to which we want to download. I'm going to choose 2025 this year, and then the related text document will be here. So this is a PDF file, and there is download button. To download it, we just need to click this download button, and very shortly it will start downloading, and here I see it downloaded successfully. And that's it. In this way we can easily download the text documents from our MooMoo account.